sa Palengke. Say Palengke. Huh? Where are we? What happened? We got bukol.
Why you got that for?
Later you give it to the guy. Hold it. No, lose later.
When we got in the canal?
Yeah, when we get out.
Then we get out. Sa after 6, kuya. Yeah, you know. Maliko ka dyan sa wala, kuya. Magpapagupit si Tabi. You go down first, ha? Diyan sa gilid. Yeah, go
Daddy
down.
first.
Daddy first. You wait for daddy. Wait for daddy. And then you give that to daddy. Go back. Salamat, kuya. Enteng. The Enteng Salon, ha? Diyan siya magpapagupit. 50 pesos. Sa? Is it? Yeah, after 6, this one. Yeah, that's the guy. The same guy. Pagupit siya, kuya. Yeah. Ay, sorry po. Upo na dyan na. Dito siya magpapagupit. Dito siya nagpagupit. What's that, Zach?
Lahat naman tayo magkakamali. Ganito yan. Two things. Walang talaga akong tanong. I just say, I don't know if I can make another phone again in the future. It says, it's not for me to come.
Trim daw, kuya.
Itong
Good luck, Pep.
energy to celebrate yung pagkakas.
Natlaba, bagay itong tigamit ko sa iyo.
Conditions are also just not afford of the benefit. And now be provided with free services of government operated and public hospital product and providing all the funding government proposals and to quit tobacco use. Alam mo bakit? Ano nga ang ko naman? I'm very proud of you. And everybody has to have the purpose. What is smoking? So, ang problema niya, why is it that the women force in an office and the men of apply in equal almost in parity in numbers, seats of country. And was one focus. If you don't burn, so you don't need you. Then, in Davao, you can see the person that was foreigners, they're very, they can argue with you. This is my money, not your money. Then, okay, eat your money. So I also keep both. Investing in the health sector is not a cost to be new. It's an opportunity to be explored. We have to embrace the vision of hospitals
Tapos na siya magpa-haircut. Ngayon naman magpapakulay siya.
Ate Ron, pabot na ako tabi ng shampoo. Eh, Kuya Noriel.
Nabawasan yung ulit yung kupit na kanina kasi mababalot sa harap. So yung pinanggitan ko po mga sarado na kaya dito kami sa kabila sa katabi.
And not in the queen's nest. After we know. Hello.
Sad. Oh, what happened to your ponytail again? Ah? Wait for the straw.
That is cool.
Alright. Again, so something. Goodbye. Susaro. Mapapanayin ka na. Yeah, dirty. That's enough. Later again. Later. Wait for your food. Actually, it's true.
Guys, you want to go to the toilet with the
In there.
which one?
Left. Go in there and go left.
I want to do I don't know. Guys, can you
You wash your hands? You want to wash your hands? Okay, let's go. Are you going, Zachary? Wash your hands. Don't eat it. No. No. Dirty. It's fine. Yes. Okay.
What's that one?
That's green mango. Ah, thank you. Try na niyo sa green.
Sour. Shut up. A little bit.
Papa. Papa.
Where's my second?
Thank you.
Maganda po yung sa upuan.
You wait. Thank you. Kamuti pala liniti.
Oh, my sandwich.
Lahat ng isa.
Wait, what want.
Wait.
Baba, mababa ka, Baba. Walang gulay. Meron sa ilalim.
No, right back.
Relax lang. Nasa ilalim. Thank you.
Where my what?
Here, just wait.
Where's the sandwich?
Maghatid na kayo ng rice.
Yeah, where's my sandwich?
Here, pwede pa agad akong salay na po.
Extra.
Sarap pa.
Additional.
That's not orange.
Ang ano na lang. Oh, sige, wait lang. I'll give it to you. Okay.
I didn't order.
I give you for sa tigil.
I don't need rice. I don't want rice.
You don't like rice?
Here.
I don't want rice.
Yung nagagad ako
No.
sa'yo, no. You eat
Now
rice.
you have to eat
Try that
rice.
out.
You don't like the
Bit
sandwich?
more.
You like rice
Dad. Bit more.
and chicken?
Okay, ako naman to.
Oh, big one.
Here, Saka. Sak, eat. Here. Sak, you want rice, teacher, and chicken?
You like chicken? Love?
Okay, eat your rice now, Kuya Sak. Sak!
Ay nga nito, may nangulot.
Mamayabas. O kuya, remove your bike. That's a silly...
Don't want hot no more door.
Here. Ay, makukuha na lang. No? Reiji, come here. Sad. This way. Come here, Reiji. Put it down. Bye. Come here. Look. Ah, look. Other one.
Let me see.
Super
Super big.
I get upper bag.
Take sad.
We'll find one sock for you. Come here, Sad.
Sad.
Kuya got one.
Try it sleep like a mango.
Is it?
It tastes like mango.
Let me see. Can you bite?
I can. It's soft.
Is it soft?
I get a big one.
Oh.
Where? There, up. Yun na, look. See big one.
Ang saan?
I see.
Aray.
Ito.
Ito?
Yes. I see. I didn't like that one.
Sad. Uututa ko.
You find one, Annie?
Sad. No, sad.
Saki, don't.
Reiji.
Sak, don't pick when it's not ready yet. Go to Lola.
Wow. What happened there? What happened there?
Si Holly. Did you find any
What?
Sak?
I got.
What are you doing?
There one way up the top.
You look like a monkey, Sak.
A monkey banana.
Yeah, monkey likes banana.
Hey, we can't find one. Look, little baby.
Holly, what's that, Holly?
Ali.
What's that?
Where is the?
Daddy, pagtawan ng ibaya. Basta.
No. No guava for you, baby. No guava. Oh, it is.
Look.
Ayun na lang. Kuha nila. Ito, baby pa.
Alalasok ma, basol. This is Holly. Hi, Holly. We're going, Holly. Okay. Family photos. Now, hot. Is it yummy?
Ako na magpapakain sa'yo kasi ang kalat-kalat mo.
Look at that.
Nakalat ka pa rin.
No more.
Never whisper.
Boy. Boy, I mean.
There's no toys because this is not McDonald's.
Pangdos kayo sa sarap na yun.
Sit down. Are you eating? Ole. No, look at your face.